Thanks for watching. This video is about what snacks you can give your cat with kidney disease. This is Robert Galarowitz, Healthy Kidney Inc. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe if you haven't. And what we do here at Healthy Kidney Inc. is that we provide great information to people and pets that have kidney issues, kidney disease, and we also offer products and services. But today we're talking about the best snacks for cats with kidney disease, or some really good snacks. So if you found out that your cat got diagnosed with kidney disease, which actually happens in 30 and upwards of 50% of cats. I remember when I found that out years ago, I was like, wow, that's a really big number. And it's actually the leading cause of death after like accidents for cats and for household cats. So a lot of cats get kidney disease, and so there's a lot you can do. Now with cats being carnivores, meaning they're meat eaters, it makes it a little bit harder as opposed to like with dogs with kidney disease. So what we want to look to do is we want to look to reduce protein content. We don't want to get rid of it by no means, but we want to reduce it and look for lower phosphorus protein foods and add those into the diet instead. So when you're looking at snacks for your cats, you're going to find that most on the market, all the commercial ones on the market, are going to be really high sodium and really high phosphorus. And so that's bad. That's bad for any cat. And those two minerals you want to try to minimize, okay? Reduce them as much as you can with your cat with kidney issues. So here are some good snacks. Plain cooked chicken. You can use it as a meal, or you can take little pieces and do it as a snack. And it's much lower in phosphorus as opposed to red meats. So really good snack there. Plain cooked chicken, little pieces you can feed your cat. Bonito flakes. Those are great too. That's dried fish flakes, basically. And when you're searching for those, just make sure you find the low sodium. Most will be on the lower end, but always look at the packages. Cantaloupe, that's a good fruit for cats with kidney disease, and you can give them in small pieces for snacks throughout the day. A brand is Pure Bites freeze-dried treats, which are basically meats that are freeze-dried, and the type of meats in there have lower phosphorus content. Another commercial brand is Tiki Cat Broths and Tiki Cat Sticks. That's another one you can purchase. It's also a great snack. And lastly, we have unsalted butter. So little bits of unsalted butter you can use as a snack. You can put it in their dish. Gives them a healthy fat without any protein, gives them calories, and make sure you get it without sodium. And you're gonna have to try to avoid most commercial foods on the market or most commercial snacks. They're just high in sodium. And you don't want to have too many dry treats. That's the other thing, because they can suffer from dehydration, which is really bad for kidney disease. And dry things take up more of the moisture, they take up more of the water. So you want to make sure they're hydrated, but not too many dry treats, because you want to keep them hydrated. So moist treats are always preferred. If you have something dry, you can always take a little, like if you boil the chicken, okay, like boiling chicken is preferred because you're going to lower the phosphorus. You can take a little bit of that water, mix it in there. You can also use like the juice from like any fish cans, or the proper low commercial wet food cans that they have that are lower in sodium and phosphorus. So those are just tips to help get some good healthy snacks in your cat that has kidney disease. If you're looking for more info to help your cat, we got some other videos here on our channel. You can take a look at our website at healthykidneyinc.com. We have a couple great products that really help cats, plus lots of articles there you can read about. Thanks for watching. To your cat's best kidney health, everybody. Bye.